Hi friends, this is Komolika and you are watching my channel Komolika's Korok. Today I am going to prepare one of the Kolkata's most loved street foods, the famous vegetable chop or cutlet. First, let's take a quick look at the ingredients we will be using. Trust me, you won't find this authentic Kolkata flavor anywhere else in the world. So I thought, why not share this delicious recipe with all of you today? Now that everything is ready, let's move on the next step. Heat up a karai or pan and drizzle in some white oil. Once the oil is hot, add the peanuts and fry until they turn golden brown. Take them out. And add the chopped fresh coconut. Fry until nicely aromatic. Next, add the ginger paste and saute for a minute. Now it's time to add the grated carrots and beetroot. Mix them gently. Sprinkle some salt to taste. Then add the raisins for the little sweet bite. Now it's time to add 2 teaspoons of sugar and 2 teaspoons of masala, dry roasted masala, which we have prepared earlier for this recipe. It's time to add grated boiled potatoes and mix it well. Once the veggies are well cooked, add some chopped green chilies for that fresh kick. Now let the cooked vegetables and fried nuts cool completely. Once cooled, crush the nuts and mix them in well with the veggies. This step is optional. I prefer mixing the nuts after cooling so they stay crunchy. Now divide the mixture into equal portions and shape them as you like. Now it's time to coat the chop or cutlet. In a bowl, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of all-purpose flour, salt and pinch of black pepper. Pour in a little milk and whisk into a smooth lump-free batter. Dip each chop or cutlet into the batter, then coat it evenly with the breadcrumbs or vermicelli. I usually prefer vermicelli for the authentic crunch, but today I am using breadcrumbs. Coat each chop or cutlet twice to make sure they turn out nice and crispy. In this process, our all vegetable chop or cutlet is ready to fry. You can deep fry them if you wish, but I love making them in the air fryer. Preheat your air fryer to 400°F or 200°C. Spray a little oil on the chops or cutlet for that golden glow. Place them in the air fryer and cook for about 8 minutes. Flip them over and air fry again for 6 to 8 minutes. And there you go. Your air fried Kolkata-style vegetable chops are ready to serve. Hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. See you in my next video with another delicious recipe.